or welcome to Caribbean Kitchen with Siani. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and ensure that you click the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will get a notification. So today, I will be making ice cream. It is summertime and it's one of the best things I think that we could ever do for the children, and how happy they will feel knowing that they were the ones who helped in making the ice cream. So this is a standing mixer and this is what I will be using, but if you have a hand mixer you will get the same result that the standing mixer will give. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make the ice cream. The main ingredients are whip and cook and condensed milk. If you are not able to get the whip and cook, then you can use whipped cream. You should be able to get it at a supermarket. I got this one at CPJ. Also, I have vanilla essence because I will be doing a variety of flavors. I have peanuts, salted peanuts, chocolate chips, pineapple cut in small pieces, and Oreo cookies broken into small pieces. You can do it to the size that you choose. I have a special treat for the adults, which is Jamaican white rum. So to begin, we're going to put 2 cups of whip and cook in a container and mix it for 4 minutes. At this point, you can realize that the consistency of the whip and cook is changing, and we're going to mix it until it comes to a soft, stiff peak. This is what it looks like after mixing for 4 minutes, and at this point I need to taste it, so I will be tasting. It is time to add the condensed milk, so I will be adding half of the tin of condensed milk for sweetener. If you think that is not sweet enough for you, then go ahead, add more. It is time to incorporate the milk in the ice cream. So we're going to mix again, whether by spoon or you can continue to use the mixer. And we're also going to add the vanilla. And we are going to continue to mix for another minute to ensure that everything is well incorporated in the ice cream. And then we're going to put them in different containers. I will be making 5 flavors. I'm not sure how many you are able to make, but I will be making 5, so I'm going to put the ice cream in 5 different containers. So I have filled all the containers with ice cream. What I'm going to do next is to put different flavors in them. The first flavor I will be making is the cookies and cream. It's already broken into pieces, so I'm just going to pour it in and then give it a mix. After mixing, this is what it looks like. My next flavor is the chocolate chips. So I will be adding the chocolate chips along with the chocolate sprinkles, and the chocolate sprinkles has a beautiful chocolatey taste to it. So the next flavor I will be doing is the one with the pineapple, and I think you should blend your pineapple for it to be smooth, and you can add food coloring to this one to give it a beautiful yellow color. I will also be adding the rainbow sprinkles to this one, and I think I will call this one pineapple confetti. Confetti because of the multicolors that are in it. This one at the bottom, I have some chocolate chips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some peanuts. This is just a regular peanut. And I'm going to add some rum. Yeah. And we're going to mix it together. So this is what the chocolate chip peanut and rum one looks like. Almost looks as the chocolate chip, but I know that it will taste different from the chocolate chip because of the rum that is in it. I'm going to put everything in this one. So I'm going to put cranberry in it, rum, peanuts. So now I'm going to add the jam. I am adding jam, but if you have jelly, you can add it, or peanut butter. Now this is what it looks like. I froze my ice cream overnight, but you can allow it to freeze for at least 6 hours. The ice creams are now ready for eating. First we have the strawberry jam, then we have the cookies and cream with peanut and rum, then we have the chocolate chips, then the cookies and cream, and the pineapple confetti. Now I want you to tell me, which one do you think would be your favorite? Tell us which one is your favorite by leaving a comment down in the comment box. My favorite flavor was the one with the strawberry jam. That one was really good. Along with the cookies and cream with the peanut and rum, followed by the cookies and cream. Thank you so much for watching Caribbean Kitchen with Sienny, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.